Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Harmony, and in this tutorial we are going to be installing MySQL Workbench on Macbook. MySQL Workbench is actually a visual database management and design tool for MySQL databases. I also have a full series of videos on MySQL, so get prepared to my channel. Let's dive in. So the first step is to visit this URL. I'm also going to be dropping this link in the video description. Scroll down and you will notice that there are two options. We have the x86 64-bit and the ARM 64-bit. The only difference is the processor type your MacBook is using. So if your MacBook is using the Intel-based processor, download the x86 64-bit. But if your MacBook is using the M series processor, like the M1, M2 or M3, or even a higher processor, you can download the ARM 64-bit. Now, if you're not sure of the kind of processor your MacBook is using, that is fine. Go up and click About this Mac. This is going to show you the kind of processor your MacBook is using. So in my case, as you can see, it says I'm using the quad-core Intel Core i5. Means I'm going to choose the first option from this list. Also, you can click the archive to access the older versions of MySQL Workbench. So from here, you can click the drop down to select the version that is most compatible with your operating system. So as you can see, this is compatible with Sonoma 14, but what I have running on my MacBook is the Monterey version 12.3.1. So I'll have to look for a version that is compatible with the version of my operating system. So I'll need to go back here and choose a lower version. So this is compatible with Ventura 13. I'll still need to go lower till I get a version that is most compatible with my MacBook. Now mind you, if you're using the latest version of Mac OS operating system, you can download the latest version on the websites. So I'm going to use version 8.0.32, which is also compatible with Monterey 12. So let's download this and give it a few minutes to download fully on our PC. Alright, so after you're done downloading the MySQL Workbench, you want to double click it to install. Then copy the file to the applications folder and give it a few seconds to copy. Alright, so open the applications folder and look for Workbench. So here we have it, so you can double click it to open. And here you can see that Workbench is able to detect that we have MySQL running locally on our device. So we can open this instance of MySQL, input our password, and boom, we have MySQL Workbench installed on our MacBook, and we can interact with our database using the MySQL Workbench. If you found this video helpful, click like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for new videos like this. See you in the next video.